Hello everybody and welcome back to FaceSlayWithT&A. I am Alicia. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to do like a sunset makeup look, if you will, I guess, with like yellows and oranges and pinks and purples. I'm really kind of hoping that summer's gonna come because we've been getting lots of snow in the last like week or two and I'm over it. I don't want any more snow. So I figured maybe if I start doing some like summer makeup, the warmer weather will come. But anyways, with further ado, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe before you leave and join me and Terry and doing our makeup looks and our adventure. And if there's anything else that you guys would like to see us do, please leave it in the comments down below. And I think that's it. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm going to prime my eyes using MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and this just helps start with a clean canvas to make sure that you take away any redness or uneven skin tone, veins, just gives you a clear canvas to start with. I'm then going to set that with the Rimmel Translucent Powder, and I'm just using a brush that I got from the Amazon set. I pack it on, and then I'll dust it back and forth. Going in with that yellow color, and it's a big fluffy brush. All these few brushes that are coming up I got in a set, and it's linked in the description bar below in case you are interested. And I'm just going to put that on my lid and blend it back and forth in windshield wiper motions. I'm then going to take a little bit of a smaller blending brush and go in with that red color and just put that color a little bit lower and blend it back and forth in circular motions. I am then going to take that orange color and I am going to keep this just a little bit lower and more focus on the outer corner of my eye. Most of the eyeshadows that I'm going in with now are kept low and on the outer corner and just going in halfway. Again, putting most of the product, because that is where most of the product is going to go, where you lay your brush, and then you want the least amount of product on the inner corner, which is what I'm doing. Then going to go back in with that yellow color and that big fluffy brush and just blend it out and make sure that everything is seamless. You don't want any harsh lines, especially when using vibrant colors like these. I'm going to take that red color and do the exact same thing. If I didn't mention before, I'm sorry, I'm using the Morphe 35B palette, and I am just going to do the exact same thing. I know that this color looks blue on camera, but it is actually, as you can see right here, it is more of like a light purple color. I don't know why my camera was picking up a blue color on the actual palette. It's super weird. And then I tried to do a cut crease with negative space, but it was just not working out for me, so I just decided to go back in and blend all the exact same colors you just see me do back onto my lid and cover it all up because it was just not working. Going in with Revlon 24-hour mousse foundation in 220. I just like to paint that onto my face and then push it in with a big fluffy brush. I'm using the Morphe M439. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. This foundation is amazing. It was my favorite, and then I've tried a bunch, and I've just realized that I really do love this foundation, and I'm going to go back to using this foundation more because it looks better the longer you wear it. I know that that's really weird to say, but it really does look better like 4 or 5 hours later. And it's just amazing. Now I'm going to bronze / contour with the CoverFX Enhancer Drops in Sunkissed, and I kind of like to work in sections because this dries and then it can dry with like dots on your face. It's not a good look. It's not very cute. And I'm going to highlight and conceal with my Urban Decay Naked Weightless Concealer in light neutral. I'm pretty sure that that is it. And then I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques blending sponge, beauty sponge. You know what I mean. I'm now going to do my eyebrows off camera, and with power of editing, I have my brows done. Yay. So going in to kind of deepen up that contour and bronze, I'm using the Physicians Formula bronzer, and that is also called Sun-Kissed. And then putting some blush on. This is the Morphe 9N palette. This palette is gorgeous. I love those colors and I can't get enough. I don't know the name of the brush, but I promise you it is linked in the description bar below. It's like a pointy dome brush, if you will, and I am taking all the same colors in all the same order and just blending that underneath my eyes. And then for the purple color, I use a flat definer brush and just push that into the lower lash line like I'm doing right now. Using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Enlight, and I am just going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I am then going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Sepia and an eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to dot on my faux freckles. I know that they look harsh, but I promise you I fade them out and blend them out once I'm done and I filmed the video. I am then going to put some setting spray on, and that is the makeup look. Oh, no, I apologize. My lip liner is a Maybelline lip liner, and then the two liquid lipsticks from Anastasia are Lovely and Crush, and I put them on just to kind of give an ombre look. Thank you so much for watching. So that was the makeup look. I really love the way it turned out. I really like the faux freckles, and I think that I might be adding faux freckles into a lot of the makeup looks that I do this summer. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.